This brand is a private label brand made for the EverRest Group by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited, and the units are sold through dealers in the USA. The brand features durable stainless steel primary and secondary heat exchangers that are backed by a lifetime guarantee where the entire furnace is replaced if the heat exchanger fails. The units use durable silicon nitride hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than spark ignition systems. All of the units use durable ECM blower motors, which are quieter, more energy efficient, and more durable than brands that use PSC motor technology. The AM9S92 model is a basic gas furnace with a 92% AFUE combustion efficiency and a fixed speed blower, while the AM9C96 is a premium two-stage furnace. The AMVC96 model has a variable speed blower and communicating capability. The AMVM97 model is their entry in the ultimate category and features a variable speed inducer motor, variable speed blower motor, and a modulating gas valve to precisely match the heating needs of the home for longer operating cycles and more uniform temperatures throughout the home. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.